Hey guys, I'm really excited to test out this portable karaoke machine today. It looks really cool. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun. You can see it has 2 microphones and it's nice and small and compact, but it still has an awesome, really big sound. So let's check out what is inside the box. So first there's just a card right here with customer service. So you can leave a review, scan that QR code. I think I'm gonna do that later once I test it out. And there is a user manual in here as well, so you can get all the details about what all the different buttons do. So let's check out what they have. So first there's a auxiliary cable inside here, and there's also 2 cords. So 2 Type-C chargers right there. I love when things come with chargers so you don't have to worry about it. And here are the microphones. So let's just open one up right now. So I really like that gold look. These look perfect for adult parties or for kid get-togethers. And the buttons look pretty simple. So there's just an on button, a microphone button, and a volume button right there. And here is where you are going to charge them if they do need to be charged. These are wireless microphones, but you can use those chargers that it came with and plug them in and get them all charged up and ready to go, so that you're ready for your party. So here is the speaker itself. Let's take a look at this. Again, I really like the color. Even though it does light up, it looks pretty nice without lighting up as well. And here are all the buttons on top. I like this kind of really nice, neat strap. It kind of makes the whole speaker look pretty classy. And this is what's gonna light up. So right now it's completely off, but you can see it has 2 speakers on both sides. So there's a speaker on this side and on this side, which is really nice because it's really gonna get that amplified 3D surround sound that you are looking for. So these speakers can connect via Bluetooth, and they can connect to a laptop, to a phone. They can connect with a USB as well. Everything is right in here. So you can put a TF card right in there as well. All these different hookups so that this speaker is just super useful and can be used for so many different things. Here's the on button and the lights right there for the light up button. Let me turn this on.
Bluetooth mode.
So you can hear that it's in Bluetooth mode. The colors are changing already, and it does have a button up here so you can actually pick the color. So here is the color green, color red. So I'm just changing the button, and you can put it on kind of just rainbow mode, which I really like too. So look how cool this speaker is. It is looking just awesome right here. So up here you can see there's the blinking light. There's the modes you can change if you wanted to do that. Volume button right here. And let's see, if we turn on these microphones, so we'll get that going too, so you can see that that is on. Did you hear that? Look at that. So let me put my mouth up to the microphone again. You can hear how amplified this is.
Hello. Hi, everybody.
How cool is that? That made my voice so loud. All I had to do was talk into the microphone, and you can hear that it just echoes immediately. All I did was turn it on, press the button, and it connected right away. So you can use this again to play music, to use with the microphones for any kind of party. It is just pretty cool. I am so surprised this worked right out of the box right away, and instantly I'm in love. So give this awesome karaoke machine a try. It works as a speaker, works as a karaoke machine, works if you just want to talk and amplify your voice. You can use it for that as well. Super portable, nice and light. It's very, very light. You can travel with it anywhere. Loving those rainbow colors. I think you're gonna love it.